back to my YouTube channel, and guys, today we're gonna do candlestick, and it's a really great exercise for beginners who are doing gymnastics. So guys, this exercise is really good. Let's get on to it. So first you need to lie down and then come up like this. Then what you have to do is you have to put your hands forward and then simply let them back, and from pressure go up like this. So guys, let's do it again. Again, put some pressure up. Okay, so guys, I'm also going to show you some variations. So guys, let's do it again. Let's do it at least 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So guys, let me show you another way that how to do it. So first, simply to do this, you can just lie down, then come up like this. Then put your hands like this over here. Then you simply, when you come up like this, you swing and do like this. Like this. Then lift your body up. This, like this. So now let's do some variations, guys. The first variation, simply let's do, your hand should be forward and you should be up. And make sure your legs are straight on top. So now another one where your hands are at the back, like this. And another one where you can also learn how to do it, and it comes in type of variation. So simply come up and like this. This will give you support, or if you need more support, you can also use the wall, but it's more easier. But if you're comfortable without the wall, you can do it like this. Let's come down. So guys, if you like my video, please give a thumbs up and make sure you should subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.